Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to generate a city from satellite map data using the CityEngine and export it to the Unreal Engine. Okay, let's go. Okay, first thing first, go here to CityEngine. Okay, once it's opened, go here, build city from map data. Okay, hit finish, new scene. Okay, get map data. Okay, in this video, wanna search for Milano, Italy. Okay, wanna import part of this gigantic city. Look at this. It's gigantic city. If you have good hardware, you can import all of those city. This city. For me, my hardware is not good. I want to import part of this city. Okay, let's choose this part. After that, choose the resolution. For me, I want to choose 4K resolution. Okay, and import it. It started downloading the map. Okay, fine. Now let's go right here and choose building. And building level is building materials. Okay, disable this one. Okay, fine, it's good. Hit next, project all. Next, translate to minimum. Next, and finish. It starts importing the OSM. Okay. Now this is my city. Let's go there to this corner and choose the type of this one. Okay, Monaco. Choose Monaco. Now it starts to texturize the city. Look at this, transparency mode, disable, okay, all is fine. Okay, this is my city. Okay, look at this, it looks good. Okay, now select all and go. Okay, go to File, Export Models. Want to export to the Unreal Engine, select this, next. Okay, hit finish. It starts generating the models right now. Okay, fine, the model is generated.